Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming. In this video, we will show how to plot a nested pie chart using Plotly in R. So a pie chart is actually show the data in circular pie for categorical data, and a nested pie chart is actually put a pie chart inside another pie chart, and this pie chart is called donutchart, which is a hole in regular pie chart. So next we will show how to do this in RStudio. So first we have to load library for Plotly, and this library should be installed first. Then we create a sample data. We show this sample data. It's a very simple, only 2 columns, company and value. Then we show how to plot a pie chart using Plotly. So Plotly sample data, then passed pipeline to add pie function with the sample data and with the labels. This symbol is a backtick, and the tilde backtick company and the values equals tilde backtick value. So it's a pie chart, just the same as you put print from ggplot2. Then you create again another data called sample data, company and value. Then we print out a donutchart. So Plotly sample data passed to add pie. Actually, this is a pie chart. The sample data labels company values value. Type is pie, and we set a hole equals 0.5. So now this is a donutchart. Actually, is a pie chart with a hole inside, and this hole's diameter is 0.5 from the original pie chart. Then we will show how to plot a nested pie chart. So first we create sample data again. This time there are 2 columns, value 1 and value 2, with company variable. Then can set Plotly sample data passed first to the add pie function with the label, with the value, and with the type, and with the whole sorted not, and with the marker list line. Then add a pie with sample data, labels company and value 2 now, and the domain is list. This is decided for the position of this pie chart. So this is a nested pie chart. Variable 1 outside and variable 2 inside, and with the legend for another variable company. Thanks for watching.